Hey, everybody. Welcome back. Today, let's do something a little bit more fun and interesting. Let's review some examples of figurative language in music. First off, what is figurative language? Well, figurative language is the opposite of literal language. So while literal language is often more direct and language from the dictionary definitions, figurative language is a little bit more abstract and symbolic. So things like idioms and figurative expressions are not ones that are directly searchable in the dictionary, but rather require a little bit more symbolic understanding of language. So let's look at 4 types of figurative language that often appear in music. I have a theory that you can figure out what these terms are. So here's the first type of figurative language. She's a fireball. He has a heart of stone. She's drowning in a sea of grief. Okay? Starts with an M. And here's the hint: a person does not literally have a heart of stone, they would be dead. But rather, it has a different meaning. You're comparing two unlike objects. So write down what you think this is, and then see if you can identify this type of figurative language in the following song.
You are the sunrise, I'll be a sunset. You be my moonlight, I'll be your sky.
So take your best guess. Write down a figurative expression from that song clip. And what do you think it means to you? Our next expression starts with an S. For example, I float like a butterfly and sting like a bee, Muhammad Ali. Or, it's clean as a whistle. Or, my mouth was as dry as a bone. So here's your hint here. Look at the words that I highlighted in red, like, as. We're making a comparison here. What type of figurative expression is this? Write it down. Okay, let's listen to this song clip and see if you can point out the example of this figurative language.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body.
Rewind that if you have to, and write down an example of this type of figurative language and what it means to you.